Hello, and thank you for joining us for the St. Louis Community College Continuing Education Pharmacy Technician Certification Career Course in partnership with MK Education. I'm going to go ahead and get into introductions. Your instructor is Kalinia Cothran. She has been a registered pharmacist since 2001, graduated Washington University. She also graduated from the University of Missouri St. Louis, graduated from St. Louis College of Pharmacy, and is finishing her coursework at St. Louis University. She has over 14 years in the community pharmacy with Walgreens and almost 3 years at St. Louis College of Pharmacy. She works on the weekends at CVS and has a cat and is adopting a special needs dog. She also takes dance class 4 to 7 times per week. Diane Sterrett is your program coordinator. She's a registered nurse since 1974, a graduate of St. Louis University and a graduate of Washington University. She has 18 years with Deaconess Health Systems and 20 years with St. Louis Community College. She is your point of contact with St. Louis Community Colleges with offices at the Corporate College and at the Forest Park campus, and is responsible for collection, review, and approval of all college prerequisites and college requirements. For student support, you are more than welcome to contact MK Education at area code 630-541-3600. You may email info@mkedu.org or visit us on the web at www.mkedu.org. Ideal candidates would include pre-pharmacy students, pharmacy technicians looking to become certified, individuals looking to become certified pharmacy technicians, recent high school graduates, anyone interested in healthcare, stay-at-home parents, or healthcare workers looking to strengthen their current skill set. The duties of a pharmacy technician include, but are not limited to, assisting the pharmacist, entering patient information and data, dispensing medication, compounding specialty orders, maintaining pharmacy inventory, preparing intravenous medication, patient care, and much more. Potential employers do include retail, community, specialty, mail order, or nuclear pharmacies, insurance companies, hospitals, infusion centers, home health care, pharmaceutical companies, legal firms, state board inspectors, certification panel appointments, or instructing with 2 years of experience with MK Education. Your typical average salary ranges for pharmacy technicians from $30,000 to approximately $54,000. An entry-level pharmacy technician makes anywhere between $12 and $14 per hour. A senior pharmacy technician makes anywhere between $18 and $22 per hour. And an oncology pharmacy technician will make up to $25 per hour. The number of job openings is expected to continue to exceed the number of job seekers. Job opportunities will increase by 35% between 2008 and 2018. And for more information, we encourage you to visit the Bureau of Labor Statistics website at www.bls.gov. A pharmacy technician level 1 is an individual with no pharmacy experience, education, training, or certification, and typically works at the cash register or in the stockroom. A pharmacy technician level 2 and 3, which is where an MK Education completion certificate will put you, is an individual with education or training in pharmacy technician education, is certified, works in dispensing medications and patient processing. A pharmacy technician manager or supervisor is an individual with at least 5 years of pharmacy experience, is educated and trained for entry in advanced level processes, is certified, and proficient in many skills. We have listed the Missouri Board of Pharmacy contact information here for your convenience. It is located out of Jefferson City, Missouri. Their phone number is 573-751-0091. I've also listed their website, and their email is missouribop@pr.mo.gov. The Missouri Board of Pharmacy state laws are if you need a registration or a license, and that is required by your state. However, training, certification, and continued education is not currently required by the state of Missouri. With that being said, all pharmacy technicians must be registered to work. You must submit a criminal background check and fingerprinting. You must submit a written pharmacy technician application to MBOP. You must include a non-refundable application fee of $35. You must include a 2x2 passport type photo, have the application notarized, and no criminal background. Your prerequisites are at least 18 years of age, a high school diploma or high school equivalency certificate. Your minimum TABE test scores must be an 8.9 on both vocabulary and comprehension, and a 7.0 on mathematic concepts and application. You must register for the Family Care Safety Registry. You must have no prior criminal offenses. Other requirements must be completed by deadline date are the American Databank criminal background check, a 9-panel drug screen, a physical exam, immunizations, 2-step PPD, hepatitis B immunization series, or a signed waiver, and an AHA BLS for healthcare provider CPR certification. This career course does include 300 of program hours. 120 of them are in the classroom, which includes pharmacy practice, brand and generic drug names, drug classifications, and ethics in pharmacy law. 60 hours are online, which include pharmacy calculations, medication errors, and SIG codes. And 120 hours are at an externship in a pharmacy setting, which includes retail and hospital are available, and a hospital externship requires an additional 40 hours. Your externship hours are 120. They are taking place during normal business hours, Monday through Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Time off work may be required to complete the externship process, and flexibility most definitely is required to finish. You might not be able to do it during normal class time settings, and if you have any questions or concerns, please contact MK Education directly at 630-541-3600 and speak with Student Relations before the class begins. This program prepares students for 2 national certification exams. The first is the PTCB exam offered by the Pharmacy Technician Certification Board. You may find more information by visiting www.ptcb.org. The second is the ACCEPT exam offered by the National Health Career Association. You may find more information by visiting www.nhanow.com. Renewal consists of doing continuing education credits or CEs, and recertification requires 20 CEs every 2 years. Your tuition for this career course is $2,400. We do offer several tuition assistance options. The first is the Workforce Innovative and Opportunity Act approved funding. Your contact is Leslie English Abram, and you may email her or call her. The second is Slate Funding approved, and our contact there is with Wanda Summers. Again, email or phone. There's also another tuition assistance option through the University of Missouri Extension. Susan Ryan is the contact. And we also have a payment plan option, which you need to contact Dr. Preeti Shaw at MK Education for more information. There are additional expenses associated with this course. It does include the TABE test, a TABE retest if necessary, the Family Care Safety Registry Act, the American Databank background check, the 5-panel drug screen, the physical exam, immunizations, 2-step PPD, hepatitis B series, the AHA BLS healthcare provider CPR certification, class supplies, and a non-refundable registration application fee. You may register in person at 5600 Oakland Avenue, St. Louis, Missouri 63110, G Tower, room 322 through 324. Please make sure that you bring a proof of age, proving that you are 18 years or older, your high school diploma or your high school equivalency certificate, TABE test results, and the Family Care Safety Registry worker registration letter. We do have a cancellation or refund policy. I encourage you to visit www.stlouiscommunitycollege.STLCC.edu to view that. Thank you for downloading and listening to our informational video. You be sure to like us on Facebook or follow us on Twitter. You may reach St. Louis Community College Continuing Education at 3221 McKevely Road, Bridgeton, Missouri 63044, or you may reach MK Education at area code 630-541-3600, or email info@mkedu.org.